Hello student, today I am going to explain you about the area of India. India is spread in a total area of 32.8 lakhs square kilometer. It ranks 7th in the world in terms of area. The 6 countries larger than India are Russia, Canada, USA, China, Brazil and Australia. Now you can see the map. Children, major air routes and sea routes connecting India with other countries. Okay. Now I will explain you about the strategic location of India. India lies in the southern Asia and its location is quite strategic in all the direction. Now north of India. North of India has lofty mountain ranges that are separate over hundreds of kilometers from northwest to northeast direction. China and Tibet lie to northeast of India. One can move from India to China and Tibet through the mountain passes of India located at high altitude. Even though the land routes of India with its neighboring countries are obstructed by mountains, India has accepted all cultural elements arriving from these routes. People of all these countries have merged with culture of Indian society. Now east and west of India. From our longitudes, we know that India lies in eastern hemisphere. Its location is eastern hemisphere is also strategic. The oceans lying in the east of India have contributed immensely in developing mutual relations in ancient times. India has trade relations with East Africa, West Asia, South Asia, and Southeast Asia since ancient times. As a result, India has developed cultural and commercial relations with these countries. Now I will explain you about the south of India. In southern side, India is surrounded by water from three sides. Hence, India is called peninsula. Arabian Sea lies to the west of India, Bay of Bengal to the east, and Indian Ocean to the south of India. These water bodies work as an excellent waterway for trade and commerce. India has one of the longest coastline among all the countries lying in the Indian Ocean. That is why the ocean below India was named the Indian Ocean. Sea routes connecting East and Southeast Asia and Australia to Africa and Europe pass through Indian Ocean. Location of India across the international waterways is also important. For example, when Suez Canal was opened in 1869, the distance between India and Europe had reduced by about 7,000 kilometers. You can note down this point. It can come in exam for 1 mark. This boosted trade with India. Also, the journey from Asia to Europe reduced by 6,500 kilometers due to the Circum-Africa waterway. One can go to Canada and USA through these waterways via Strait of Malacca and Pacific Ocean. India had contacts with many countries since centuries. Goods and ideas among various countries are being exchanged through ancient time. Similarly, Indian concept of Upanishad, stories of Ramayana and Panchtantra, therapeutic methods, Indian numerical figures and decimal system, etc., were spread many parts of the world. Now you can understand one important point in your textbook that there are 28 states, 1 national capital, and 7 union territories in India. Now, student, in my next video, I will explain you about the structure of Earth, that is geological structure, and about the tectonic plates. Thank you.